Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone. Setting up Apple Pay is a breeze. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. You'll be guided through a few simple steps to scan or manually enter your credit or debit card details. Finally, your bank or card issuer will verify the card, usually with a quick text message or phone call, and you'll be ready to go in just a few moments. Using Apple Pay in stores is incredibly convenient and secure. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your default card will appear, and you'll authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless payment reader. You'll feel a gentle vibration and see a check mark on your screen, confirming your payment was successful in just a couple of seconds. Apple Pay also makes online and in-app purchases seamless. When you're checking out, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it, and your default card will automatically be selected. You'll then confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, just like in a physical store. Before finalizing, you can quickly review your shipping address and contact details, ensuring everything is correct with just a few taps, saving you valuable time. Security and privacy are at the core of Apple Pay. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or on Apple's servers. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is assigned, ensuring your real card details are never shared with merchants during a transaction. Every purchase requires authentication with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, adding an extra layer of protection. This robust security means your financial information remains private and secure with every single payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.